Alright, here's the 10 p.m. alerts. We have a tornado warning in effect for a tornado that is actually on the ground. For real. So yes, the tornado has been submitted and reported, and it's confirmed on the ground just northwest of Northton to north of Northton. The tornado will, and the tornado is heading that direction. At the same time, saying that direction. So yeah. So yes, tornado warning. Missouri. The confirmed tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Northton, actually. So this is like completely far away from the national wind surge. It's about 11 miles away from the city of Goodland. And we have a tornado on the ground. So yes, all of this we're going to ignore because that's where the radar likes to have fun during a tornado warning day. We saw that tornado watch remains in effect, but unfortunately we can't get the tornado watch off. Yeah, so can we count how many tornadoes we have on the ground? We have this one, and this one, and that one. We're gonna do it again. So yes, this one, and that one. So yes, those circles, that thing I just circled, yeah. This storm warning actually did have a possible tornado threat with it. So yes. This one doesn't even have a possible tornado. None of that. For me, it almost looks like we do. Is a thing that is just yeah.
Storm flags are out on the beaches in the southeast tonight as potential Cyclone 16 takes aim at the east coast. The storm is expected to strengthen tonight, bringing tropical storm force wind gusts, heavy downpours, and the potential for life-threatening storm surge flooding from North Carolina to the northeast. The National Hurricane Center has gone ahead and issued tropical storm warnings for the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way up to Delaware.
Right here.
Thanks for staying with us. Our live coverage of potential tropical cyclone 16.
Right there, there's a circle. That's where the tornado has been reported. Slash is that. So yes.
Well, it's going to make for a very tough weekend across parts of eastern North Carolina as well as into southeastern Virginia, and then getting up into parts of the northeast as well. There's the latest on the system, a potential tropical cyclone.
Alright, we're going to come back on that in a sec.
When they don't yet have a storm, but they want to go ahead and put out advisories on the storm because it's expected to become a storm. The modeling is showing that it's expected to become a storm. It's moving north at 7 miles per hour, and right now it's being given a 60% chance of developing in the next 5 days.
Around here, there's a storm that's going to be heading straight up into parts of the area.
And that's going to be going into tomorrow.
North Carolina, they're saying. The Weather Channel, I don't know if you hear that in the background.
Very broad area.
So yes, it's going to be going north, actually.
Probably a little spin that's developing right about there. We can't see that because we don't have the visible imagery, but what we can show you is what we're seeing in the modeling. And so I want you to notice that little area of sort of reddish color right there. So that's where that low pressure is starting to develop, and as we
that's all what I have, but people in the Western New York metro area for tonight, I'm not going to forget about that, so yes. Especially you, Buffalo, we got these storms.
Big shield of rain coming out ahead of that that's starting to already affect.
We got these rain showers over here, blue in the background, so yes. Look at that.
Then we take it into
background the radar. So yes, we'll be seeing rain here, rain here, rain here, rain here, and rain all over here, including maybe the parts of the city of Rochester. So yes, that's what we're saying possible. Okay. That's what we're expected to see. And then
the areas where we expect.
Then all right here, that's all rain. I'm not stupid. That's all rain right there. If I didn't, I wouldn't see that. And maybe that's maybe rain. Same as over here. So if this is rain, just let me know. It's actually looking this, so I don't have to act like a stupid kid like that 5-year-old. Maybe.
So because we are going to be looking at a
okay, let's take a look.
flow, we could be looking at a significant water level rise here, 2 to 4 feet.
The regular Napoleon? Yeah, that ain't no rain. Okay, I'm stupid. Okay. So yes, I'm just joking. I'm not stupid. I just did. Okay, what do we have here? We still have those tropical storm warnings posted for areas, including a statement for a hurricane statement in the DC metro. Yes. We have a special weather statement for Cole and Rod thing, whatever it is. And especially in that statement, ain't no for snow. And yes, coming into the winter, if you guys just saw what I just showed you, all that statement ain't no for snow. So that you're gonna get a little bit of worries, maybe. So yeah. Lakeland advisory, special weather statement for storms. So yes, let's go here. Special weather statement right here, so yes.
And so you're going to have, kind of a double whammy here.
So yes.
You've got water level rise occurring because of the onshore flow, but also the
so yes, guys, the 23rd of September is going to mark the 2 days, the 1 day until first day of fall. And I guess Mother Nature didn't want to wait until fall strikes to assure winter alerts. Especially here where the winter water alerts. Guess what? We have a winter water advisory posted for all Matana. Let me turn this off so turn it off. Matana. What the flip is a Montana? Montana. I was supposed to say. I actually said Matana. And I'm like still wondering what Matana is. I'm gonna look that up. Okay. Yeah, just okay, so we have a winter water advisory for I was about to say it again. So we have a winter. If I say it one more time, then I'm just gonna say it. Okay. We have a winter water advisory for Montana, finally, and Idaho. That's it. So there's another winter water advisory that's split up, but that's actually in the south of Montana. Then we got one just by the border of Idaho that actually now in effect, which I find will remains in effect. So it's just said, yes. So this ain't the whole. That's not all the winter water advisories. It's just split up. We have a get watch offshore of Washington and Oregon, and especially like yesterday, we have a frost advisory and a freeze watch. A freeze watch in the same area where we're seeing. And then a frost advisory was issued there before they upgraded it to a freeze warning for dangerous temperatures between 19 to 15 below or more. And especially the area I'm at will be seeing the very lowest 26 degrees, or going to first low temperatures. That's all tonight. So yes, we'll be seeing 36 there, with some areas maybe in the 20s, maybe the teens. So yes, earthquakes. This one's for you, North Central Ohio, WR guy. I know you live in London County. Just comment down if I say this right. Comment down below if I say this county right. I don't know how to say it. London County, something like that. Warren County, something like that. If you live, I already know you live in that county. So yes, but there was an earthquake miles away from Cleveland in your area. Yeah, so there was only 1.9, not strong, not that strong like one of these freaking earthquakes that they can do. I don't know if those earthquakes are tsunamis. Yeah, Tokyo got to deal with thunderstorms as well. Okay, nice. Alright, that's all that I see for now. Never mind. I was supposed to be like, okay, I'm done. Peace. But I gotta do a little bit more, but not why for what I see. Yes, nobody who's watching this video doesn't even live in this kind of area. But 6.1 massive earthquake. I'm just gonna say a possible tsunami. So, yes, and 4.3 over here in Japan.
Almost that time, buddy.
Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, what I said. Alright, so 4.3 in Jabaka, something like that. Then 2.6, yes. Yes. Alright, like I just said, North Central Ohio, NWR guy. A small earthquake was reported Thursday about 20 miles southwest of Azabawa, something like that. So yes. Hold on one sec. Yes. Alright, well, sorry about that.
It was close to being a safety though.
Alright. What in the world? Alright. That's all for now. Have a good night. Actually, after this, I'm about to make one more video. So yes. Have a good night for the 4th. Have a good night, but I'll see you in a few minutes.